Today, we're diving into the world of street art, unearthing 10 cities where walls transform into canvases, and every corner becomes an exhibition. From thought-provoking murals to playful stencils, get ready to be mesmerized by the unique artistic tapestry of these urban gems. Feel the rhythm of life pulsate through Rio street art. In Santa Teresa, colorful favelas showcase community spirit, while iconic neighborhoods like Lapa and Barra da Tijuca boast captivating murals reflecting social commentary and environmental messages. Don't miss the iconic Etnias mural by Eduardo Cobra, celebrating global unity. History whispers through Berlin's streets, and its art scene echoes that sentiment. Explore the East Side Gallery, remnants of the Berlin Wall adorned with powerful political statements. In Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain, discover stencils and installations challenging societal norms and pushing artistic boundaries. Lisbon's vibrant art scene spills onto its streets, transforming everyday spaces into open-air galleries. In Moraria, witness the Fado spirit translated onto walls, while LX Factory pulsates with contemporary works. Don't miss the whimsical installations in Alfama, where every turn surprises with its artistic charm. Penang street art scene explodes with cultural diversity. In Georgetown, heritage buildings become canvases for intricate murals depicting local legends and folklore. Explore Armenian Street and discover playful street art installations that invite interaction, making you part of the artistic narrative. Nestled between hills and the Pacific Ocean, Valparaiso's colorful houses provide the perfect backdrop for its vibrant street art. Explore Cerro Alegre and Cerro Concepcion, where every corner unveils stunning murals reflecting social commentary and artistic dreams. Don't miss the funicular rides, offering breathtaking views of this artistic labyrinth. Melbourne's laneways are an art lover's paradise. Explore Hosier Lane and AC/DC Lane, where stencils, paste-ups, and murals create a kaleidoscope of artistic expression. From playful characters to thought-provoking installations, Melbourne's street art reflects the city's dynamic and creative spirit. Bogota's street art scene is a testament to resilience and transformation. Explore La Candelaria, where murals depict the city's history and celebrate social movements. In Tusacuilo, discover captivating works addressing environmental concerns and advocating for peace. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of San Juan through its captivating street art. Explore Santos, where colorful murals celebrate local artists and musicians. In Cal Loiza, witness the power of art as a platform for social commentary and community empowerment. The Big Apple street art scene is as diverse as its population. Explore Bushwick, a heaven for large-scale murals, or wander through Soho and Tribeca to discover hidden gems. From iconic graffiti masters to contemporary artists, New York streets hum with artistic energy. Prepare to be swept away by the tango of colors in Buenos Aires. La Boca neighborhood is a must-visit, with its brightly painted houses and captivating murals depicting daily life. Explore Palermo and discover artistic expressions ranging from whimsical characters to politically charged statements. Buenos Aires streets are a living testament to the power of art to unite and inspire. Remember, street art is a dynamic phenomenon, constantly evolving and pushing boundaries. So, grab your camera, your sense of adventure, and explore the hidden galleries on your own doorstep. You never know what artistic gem you might discover around the next corner.